Welcome to our session on Claude Code for secure coding, where we will explore how to generate secure and validated code using this powerful tool. This hands-on guide will take you from foundational concepts to practical, real-world applications, ensuring you understand how to implement secure development practices effectively. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be equipped with the knowledge to enhance the security of your coding projects. Let's dive in and see how Claude Code can transform the way you approach secure coding. Today, we're diving into the concept of secure coding, an essential practice in software development that focuses on creating software resistant to vulnerabilities and unintended behaviors from the outset. It's not just a final step, but a continuous discipline integrated into every line of code. Claude Code enhances this process by using AI to help developers catch issues early, validate logic, and automatically enforce coding standards. This tool systematically ensures your code behaves correctly and safely under various conditions, making it a powerful ally in writing secure and robust software. Let's explore why secure coding is so crucial in today's digital landscape. A striking 83% of data breaches are a result of code flaws that could have been prevented with better coding practices. This is particularly concerning when you consider that the average cost of a single data breach in 2023 is a staggering $4.4 million, according to IBM Security. For small businesses, the stakes are even higher. 60% of them close their doors within 6 months following a major cyber attack. A common example is equal injection attacks, which occur when user input isn't properly validated. These attacks are among the top threats, but can be entirely avoided by adopting disciplined secure coding practices. Let's dive into what Claude Code is all about. Claude Code is an intelligent tool that helps generate code snippets with built-in security best practices, significantly reducing the likelihood of vulnerabilities sneaking into your projects. It also offers automated vulnerability detection, scanning your existing code for common issues like injection flaws and insecure dependencies in real time. Plus, it integrates seamlessly into your current development workflow. Whether you're using an IDE, a CI/CD pipeline, or conducting code reviews, ensuring productivity remains uninterrupted. In this section, we're going to explore how Claude Code can help us generate secure code by automatically analyzing intent, context, and risk. Before using Claude Code, we had a SQL query that directly concatenated user input, leading to a potential SQL injection vulnerability. This is a common security flaw where attackers can manipulate the query. However, after applying Claude Code, it transforms our query by using parameterized statements. This means the input is sanitized, effectively protecting the database while maintaining the intended logic. In this section, we'll explore the essential code validation techniques employed by Claude Code to enhance security. First, it implements input sanitization checks to prevent injection attacks and cross-site scripting by validating all user-facing inputs before they interact with business logic. Next, it enforces output encoding to ensure that data displayed in the browser is properly encoded, mitigating reflected XSS vulnerabilities. Additionally, Claude Code includes a dependency vulnerability scanning feature that flags any outdated or compromised libraries in your stack by referencing CVE databases. Finally, the continuous validation pipeline ensures that security checks are performed with every commit and pull request, maintaining a robust security baseline throughout the development process. Let's delve into some best practices for secure coding. One fundamental principle is the principle of least privilege, which means granting code and users only the permissions they absolutely need. Claude Code is particularly helpful here, as it can identify overprivileged access patterns and recommend more secure configurations. Another best practice is to automate security checks within your continuous integration and deployment pipelines using Claude Code. This ensures that vulnerability scans are conducted automatically, catching issues before they ever reach production. Keeping your software up to date is also crucial. Outdated dependencies often become targets for attacks, but Claude Code can monitor your software stack and alert you when critical patches are available. Finally, implementing role-based access control correctly is vital. Claude Code aids in setting up RBAC patterns to ensure that sensitive operations are always protected by proper authorization from the start. Let's look at a real-world case study involving a fast-growing fintech startup. This company was rapidly deploying new features, but struggling with security issues due to the slow pace of manual code reviews. Vulnerabilities were slipping through to production, putting customer financial data at risk. By integrating Claude Code into their GitHub pipeline, they automated vulnerability detection and enforced secure coding practices. As a result, they saw a 70% reduction in critical vulnerabilities, reaching production within just 3 months, doubled the speed of their code reviews, and maintained zero security breaches over the following year. This case highlights the significant impact that automated, secure coding tools can have on a company's security posture. Now let's dive into a hands-on exercise to secure a web application using Claude Code. First, we'll set up by opening a sample vulnerable web app and review its login and search endpoints for any obvious risks. Next, we will analyze the code by running Claude Code and examining the vulnerability report for issues like SQL injection and XSS. In the fixing stage, we'll use Claude Code's recommendations to replace insecure patterns with robust, parameterized alternatives. Finally, we'll validate our fixes by rerunning the scan to ensure all critical vulnerabilities are resolved. Afterwards, we'll discuss what surprised you most in the vulnerability report and which fix you found most impactful and why. As we wrap up, remember that security is not just a step in the process. It's a fundamental mindset that should be integrated into every commit, review, and deployment. Claude Code helps to amplify your team by automating the tedious aspects of secure coding, allowing developers to focus more on building innovative solutions. Start incorporating Claude Code into your workflow with a single pipeline or repository and gradually expand its use. For further learning, explore resources like the OWASP Top 10, the NIST Secure Software Development Framework, and the Anthropic Claude Code documentation.